My name is Parth and I'm from India.
Okay. What about you?
My name is Rahul Shah. I'm from India, Mumbai.
What can you tell me about India?
Oh, India is a beautiful place. We have a lot of cultures.
You from North India?
No, I'm from South India actually.
Oh, South India.
It's actually in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm from Mumbai.
Okay.
So Mumbai is pretty much like New York. It has the same vibe and is the financial hub of India as well. Yeah.
What can you tell me about India? What can you tell me that most people don't know about India?
So I'm from Mumbai. Mumbai is basically like New York. We have a lot of hidden gems. As people know, Mumbai never sleeps.
Mumbai never sleeps?
Yeah.
So you could go out into the middle of the night and get some food?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll find food and activities even at midnight.
Mumbai is really pretty beautiful after night.
Now, what was your first impressions coming to America?
Oh. America is a beautiful country.
You thought that when you first got here?
Yeah. So we always had this image that America is one of the best country in the world. But coming here and experiencing it in person, yeah, it's actually what people say. And I really like the vibe over here. And just getting used to the cold over here, overall I like it.
So you like it from the very beginning? You like
Yeah.
it? What about you? First impressions of America?
First impression of America. Pretty interesting question. I think it is a tech giant.
You didn't have any difficulty adjusting?
Not really.
No?
I think the weather is a bit different compared to India, but it's good. Like at this age, we adapt to surroundings very quickly.
You don't find it to be more strict here in this country?
No,
the,
this is
the laws and stuff?
no, we don't think this is actually strict.
No?
And it's not strict at all.
Strict?
And the best part about US I feel is that people don't really care that others are looking at you and others are judging you. They're just in their zone and they're having fun, and that's the most important part, and that's what makes the great vibe over here.
You mean judging you based on your caste?
Yeah. So in other countries, like people judge you, what are you doing over here, and this is not a place to maybe paint or dance. But here people are in their zone and they're having fun. That's more important.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you like the chaos?
Yeah.
All right, now, what do you miss about India?
I miss my family and friends,
Yeah.
and honestly, I miss a lot of food. Yes.
Yeah.
Indian food
So
is
we don't
great.
get a lot of Indian food in America,
Right.
but that's
Curry?
okay. Yeah.
Chapati?
We get chapati, but not the taste we want.
Yeah.
So
a different
India is famous for its spices,
Yeah.
and we really love spicy food. But so that's one thing that I do not like is in America all the food is very bland. So sometimes we feel there's literally no taste. We like the tangy, spicy taste. I miss food and family of course, but overall it's good. Yeah.
So this is the place to come to lose weight, then,
Oh.
right?
do you see?
Yeah.
The food is so bad.
Do you think?
How much were you weighing before this? Before you came
so
here?
okay, so you never ask two questions to a guy. You never ask his salary and never ask someone his weight.
All right, now, is Facebook still relevant?
Facebook still relevant. With Facebook adding new features like Marketplace, I think Facebook is still in the competition, but I think Instagram has outclassed Facebook, according to me.
Yeah, so I feel barely people are using Facebook these days. They're only using it for the marketplace to buy and sell and stuff. The only reason Facebook is still in the lead and in the top 4 tech giants is because they have acquired many other Instagram and many other apps as well. I think that's the only reason why Facebook as a whole company is relevant. Otherwise,
What about the website itself?
the website, no. I feel it's waste. So I actually uninstalled my Facebook. I deleted my account back when I was in India. But when I came here, I got to know that you need to download the Facebook with a lot of groups to find an apartment and to buy and sell stuff. So that's the only reason I had to download it again.
Right.
But I think the era of Facebook is over. Now it's more about Instagram, Snapchat, and all.
Big statement. Big statement by him. Era of Facebook is over. I hope Mark Zuckerberg, you're listening to him.
But
Need an answer.
But I don't mind if you give me a job. I don't mind working for Facebook.
Front-end developer.
We can do something together maybe.
Yeah, UI UX designer, front-end developer.
Yeah. All right.
Rahul
now-
Shah 1108 Instagram, contact me.
Okay, now what are you looking for in a wife?
In life,
In a wife.
Wife.
in a wife.
Yeah.
At the age of having girlfriend and flings, I don't want to answer in a wife.
No, you're not looking at that?
Nah.
No pressure from your
No,
parents?
no.
What about you?
Definitely not looking for a wife right now, but someone who's understanding. And I guess communication is the most important part in a relationship. If you have any problem, you just need to speak it out and you need to talk it out. And I think that's what makes a great relationship.
All right, now, do men or women have it easier in life?
In Mumbai,
In life.
in life, oh, yeah, I feel men have it easier,
Why?
but because it's the thing that has been from so many years. But I feel that now things are changing slowly and steadily now. But it's still, I don't feel men and women are equal in today's generation. There's a lot of catching up for the women, and I think we are moving ahead. And in few years, I believe in equality. So let's see.
But what do you think about the fact that women can get away with sitting at home and being a housewife,
Yeah.
but men cannot? What do you think about that?
Yeah, I think
Because
it's
men are expect. There's more that's expected
yeah.
from men.
So that's a good point that people expect men to work, bring money in the house, but I don't think that that's how it should be. It's more of an individual choice. But at the same time, the world has their eyes on men all the time. That maybe if you're not earning maybe 100,000, 200,000 in New York, they look at you down. But I feel things should change, and in that specific category, we are way back. And let's hope things change in the next few decades.
I believe both have equally difficult and equally easy life. I believe in gender equality. That is okay. Women have their own expectation, men have their own expectation. That is good. There's a difference. The difference is very beautiful, but I don't think we should differentiate between them in that regard. That's good. Both are equally good.
What were you doing during the lockdown? Wait, was there a lockdown in India?
Oh yeah, there was a lockdown in India. So the best part of the lockdown was that we spent a lot of time with the family. We played a lot of board games, we played cards, a lot of talking, we saw a lot of movies. And I also started working out and I started taking care of my body. It still doesn't show, but there's a long way to go. But I think that was a good part, that there was initially lockdown was fun, but slowly as the time passed away, it was become actually very difficult, because it was like for so many months sitting back at home doing. So you cannot play cards every single day. But let's just hope things end very soon. Yeah.
According to me, lockdown has two stories. People who lost their loved ones find it difficult, and people who got to spend quality time with their family, loved the lockdown time. Yeah, that's two sides of the story, but that is what it is. So we have to accept what it is.
In fact, I myself had COVID when I was back in India, and I was quarantined at my place for a month. And I'm really blessed to say that I recovered fully, and no after effects, nothing. But yeah, I do feel sorry for the ones who lost their loved ones. And the thing is that we cannot really do much about it. We just need to accept the situation and move forward and try and learn to adjust with the changes that have happened. Also, the good part is that in the term of technology, the whole world has been whatever the technology that we were supposed to happen next 1 decade, we did in 1 year. So in terms of technology, I think we are doing really good.
Wait, what was that like having COVID?
Having COVID, yeah. So there are a lot of fluctuations in fever. So high fever, and as soon as I take medicine, my fever will go down. But within few hours, it just fluctuates again. And a lot of weakness. I just don't feel like doing anything. I just want to sleep. But I think luckily I was cured, me and my family members. But it's a difficult phase. Definitely a difficult and a lonely phase.
What are some things you hope to achieve in New York?
In New York?
Or in America in general?
Yeah.
Because you came here for a purpose, right?
Yeah.
What do you hope to
So
achieve?
I'm a student and I live in Jersey. But after spending some time here in New York, this is extremely beautiful and has a great vibe and a great culture. So definitely in few years after I complete my education, I would definitely want to stay here in New York and be a localite.
What are some places that you want to visit in New York? Or in America?
In America,
Yeah.
so I wanna visit Vegas, then So it's a fun place, casinos and bars and restaurants. Also, I have California is also good for trekking, and there's a lot of natural beauty as well. And of course, the Niagara Falls. How can I forget Niagara Falls?
What about you? What do you hope to achieve here in America?
In America, I want to have a technical job where I can showcase my skills, gain some experience. I want to have a full-time job in technical field in either New York, Silicon Valley, or Bay Area.
Let me look at my questions real quick.
Yeah.
How many more minutes do you have?
Oh, yeah,
We good?
You good?
Yeah, we good. 2-3 minutes fine now. That my friend's getting bored actually. Gaurav. लेना सिर्फ फोटो हमारा.
All right, now are you a content creator?
Yes, I'm a front-end developer.
Tell us about that.
Content creator.
I'm not a content creator. I'm a front-end developer.
Oh, you're a developer.
Yeah, I develop websites. I make applications. I develop websites. I'm a UI UX designer.
What's
So-
that industry looking like right now?
Sorry,
What's that industry looking like right now?
that is a technical industry, right? Mobile industry, technical industry. That is.
Is there a lot of work available?
I think particularly in US there is a lot of scope for a developer.
Yeah.
It is a tech. US is a tech giant, so I believe there's a lot of work available for a technical person.
You a content creator?
No. So I did my undergrad in mechanical engineering, and I'm pursuing engineering management here.
Yeah.
So I'm trying. So basically, I'm the guy who has technical knowledge and now trying to gain knowledge about the management side of the business. And let's hope I find a job.
So you're going to be an engineer in the future?
Yeah.
That's a very stable career to have.
Yeah.
All right, now, have you had any game changers in your life? Anything that happened to you that made you want to change the way you live your life?
No, nothing yet.
Nothing? What about you? Anything that happened to make you want to change the way you live your life?
No, not really.
Nothing? All right, now, how did y'all
I thank God for that. I thank God for that. Yes.
how did y'all become friends?
That is a really interesting question. So we were in the same school. He was a year younger to me, so he was my junior. Then when I saw his Instagram story, I replied to his story, and that's how we became flatmates in America.
How do you remember meeting him?
So it's a funny story. Like we were in same school. He was 1 year older to me, but we never knew each other. But we used to follow each other on Instagram. So when I came here, I went to Hoboken Waterfront, and I had uploaded a photo with the location on it. So he just texted me saying that I'm coming to US and I'm looking for an apartment somewhere in that area. So do you know? So I said that I have one room in my apartment if you want to join. So that's how we met, and yeah.
Okay, last question.
Yeah.
What percentage of people do you believe are good and bad?
Oh, that's quite difficult, and I don't think you can. So, for example, for me, maybe he's a good guy, but for you, he maybe is a bad guy because you had because of the different situations and different circumstances. So, I don't think you can define a person as good or bad. Few people are good in certain situations for someone, few may be bad. So, yeah, I think there's no answer to that question.
I believe everyone is good. It just needs the right person to bring out the right thing, the good quality from a certain person. So it's all good. Everyone is good.
So 100% good, 0% bad.
100% people are good. It just needs right person to bring out the good quality from a certain person. So that
You're
everyone
very
is good.
positive.
I'm a positive person.
I like that.
Yes.
All right, do you want to plug any of your social media?
Sorry?
Do you want to plug any of your social media?
Okay, yeah. So my Instagram is Rahul Shah. You spell it as RAHULSHAH 1108 1108. Rahul Shah 1108. Same?
Yes.
Yeah. So my Instagram ID is parthchotai08. You spell as PARTHCHOTAI08.
Do I have your permission to put this on the internet?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Permission?
Yes, not a problem.
Thank you.